Your child will be taking the iReady assessment on Tuesday, September 15th. On that day, we will only have our morning meeting over Zoom, and the rest of the day will be dedicated time for taking the assessment. iReady is a diagnostic test that chooses questions based on the question that the child answered prior. If you tell your child the answer to any of the questions, the test will not put them on the right track to give their teacher the information that they need. This is meant to be challenging for students so that we can find out what they know and what they haven't learned yet. If your child is stuck, you can encourage them to make their best guess. To get to the assessment, you will go through NC Ed Cloud or the IM app using the QR code that was provided by your teacher at the beginning of the year. Click on the blue and red app, choose Scan QR code, and then scan the code to log in. Once you are logged into the IM app, you will have the option of choosing Clever, which is the blue app with a C. Click here. In Clever, you will see your teacher's page. iReady has now been added to your teacher's page. Click on the Bitmoji or other icon that they have chosen. This is what it looks like for Miss Silcox's class. Now you will click the orange, blue, and green cube that says iReady. Since you came in this way, it will automatically log you in. Now your iPad is going to ask you if you would like to open the page in iReady. Be sure to click Open. Once you are in iReady, your job will be to click on the Reading Diagnostic. Your child's progress will automatically be saved, so no need to worry if they go in and out throughout the day. On average, the test takes kindergartners about 60 minutes to complete, but it may take more or less time depending on your child. It shouldn't take much less than that though, so if you see that your child is zipping through it, try to slow them down. We suggest breaking it up throughout the day for best results. For a kindergartner, focusing for more than 15 to 20 minutes can be challenging. Take some time in between to allow them to play, eat, and take some screen time breaks. Here is a sample schedule that you may want to consider using on the day of testing. This schedule would break up the test for your child, allowing them to do their best. Please do not feel that you have to follow this schedule exactly as it is written. You can watch your child for signs that they are getting tired and are no longer paying close attention. If this happens, let them take a break. You can always start it up again. Your child's teacher will be available for questions and support throughout the day. Please reach out with any questions or concerns that you have.